Hello friends, welcome to Simple Learning. Today in Simple Science, we will learn about how plants make food. How do plants make food? Plants make their food by photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants transform light energy into chemical energy. What do plants need for photosynthesis? We know that plants convert light energy into chemical energy. So, they need light, that is sunlight, and they also need carbon dioxide and water. These are transformed into sugar and oxygen. Let us look at different steps that happen during the photosynthesis. Chlorophyll in leaves trap energy from sunlight. Leaves take in air and absorb CO2 from air. Roots take in water from the soil. Carbon dioxide and water together form sugars. Finally, oxygen, the byproduct, are sent out by the leaf. CO2 is nothing but carbon dioxide. Each leaf contains a tiny opening called stomata. What gives the green color to the leaves? It is nothing but a green pigment called chlorophyll. Now let us look at the photosynthesis in detail. Chlorophyll traps energy from sunlight. Leaves take in air through the stomata and absorb carbon dioxide from air. Water from roots reach leaves through the stem. Carbon dioxide and water together form sugars. These sugars are stored in the form of starch. Leaves send out oxygen through the stomata. Are there plants that cannot make their own food? Yes, some plants cannot make their own food. Plants that live on other plants. They do not have leaves or roots. They grow and depend on other plants for nutrients. Example, the dodder plant. You can see the threads hanging above the other plant. The threads are the dodder plant. There are a few other plants that have green leaves but also eat insects. These are insect-eating plants. Examples, Venus flytrap and the pitcher plant. See you again with some more interesting science.